No, 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 no.
Echoes of a love that wasn't meant to last. Hold a dream, linger in the air, a fragile truth, a silent prayer. You were the fire, I was the flame.
You tried it.
But never the same. We danced in shadows, lost in the light, chasing illusions out of sight. Now I'm left with fragments of a broken tune, a melody that fades beneath the moon. Folded dreams, they haunt my mind. A love so pure, yet undefined. Folded dreams, they slip away like sand through fingers night to day. In the echoes I hear your name, a fleeting whisper, a ghostly flame. We built a castle on shifting sands, a fragile fortress held by hands. But the tides of time, they pulled us apart, leaving scars upon my heart. Now I'm left with fragments of a broken tune, a melody that fades beneath the moon. Folded dreams, they haunt my mind. A love so pure, yet undefined. Folded dreams, they slip away like sand through fingers night to day. In the echoes I hear your name, a fleeting whisper, a ghostly flame. In the stillness I find my peace, a quiet solace, a sweet release. Folded dreams, they fade to gray